My dad crashed his Bebop 1 that we got him like 8 or 9 months ago, and it was flying really wonky. So I brought it home and recalibrated everything and performed the new 4.0.6 firmware update to it. And now we're going to take it outside. I just finished charging one of the batteries. I'm going to put the other battery back on the charger. We're going to take this for a few flights, but I just want to remind everybody how good Bebop 1 really is. Even though I'm not really flying mine right now because I have, two Bebop 2s. This is still a lot of technology. I know I do this video every once in a while. I just want to remind everybody you can pick these things up for what a decent toy costs now. And this has GPS, waypoint missions, optical flow, brushless motor, sonar, 14 megapixel, auto-stabilized footage with 3-axis stabilization, so you can look up, look down. I can fly it with this beast of a transmitter here. And so we're going to take it outside and we're going to take a quick flight. I'll see you guys in a sec. Just remember, this is a tiny, tiny little platform, but such an amazing little platform. You'll see. Bye.